Welcome to Raghava Creations. Max is easy. Do subscribe our channel. Today we are going to learn about Standard 7, Chapter 2, Measurements, how to find the area and perimeter of rhombus. So let's understand what is rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram with all equal sides. So we have learned about parallelogram in our previous video. So here rhombus is a parallelogram with all four equal sides. It also resembles a square. In a square, all the four angles are right angles, whereas in a rhombus, the opposite angles are equal. The distance between the parallel sides is called as the height of the rhombus, and the line joining the opposite vertex are called its diagonals. So what are the properties of a rhombus? All sides are equal. All the four sides are equal in a rhombus. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite angles are equal. And diagonals bisect each other at right angles. That is, the diagonals intersect at a point where they divide both the diagonals into two equal halves, and the angle formed at the center is 90 degrees. The formula to find the area of a rhombus is similar as the area of parallelogram, that is base into height square units, or it is half into d1 into d2. D1 and D2 are the measure of the two diagonals of the rhombus. Perimeter of a rhombus is 4b units, that is the sum of the four sides. And here, since we have taken the side as b, it is 4b units. So let's move into the exercise. So find the area of the rhombus. So look at the first diagram which is given here, P, Q, R and S. So here the two measures of the diagonals are given. So let's take diagonal 1 as 16 centimeter and diagonal 2 as 8 centimeters. We know that the area of the rhombus is half into D1 into D2 square units. So let's apply the values. Half into 16 into 8. So 2 will cancel 16 8 times. So 8 into 8, 64 square centimeters. When we look at the second sum here, PQRS again is a rhombus, whereas here the diagonals are not given, but PQ base and the distance between the parallel sides, the height is given as 11. So base is 15 and height is 11. When base and height is given, the area of a rhombus is base into height square units. So 15 into 11 gives you 165 square centimeters. The next one, find the height area of the rhombus whose base and height is given. So the base is given as 14, height is given as 9 centimeters. So area of the rhombus is base into height. So 14 into 9, 126 square centimeters. Find the missing value. Diagonal 1 and diagonal 2 is given. When two diagonals are given, of course, the missing value should be the area. So the area of the rhombus is half into D1 into D2. So half into 19 into 16. So here 2 will cancel 16 8 times. So you get 19 into 8, 152 square centimeters. The second subdivision, diagonal 1 and area is given. So the missing value is diagonal 2. So we know that the area of a rhombus is half into D1 into D2. Since the area is given, half into D1 into D2 is 468. So let's apply the value for D1 and find D2. So D2, we keep the D2 unknown value and take the known values to the other side of the equal to sign. So 2, which is the denominator, goes as a numerator, and D126, the numerator, comes as a denominator. So when you solve this, you get the answer as 36 meters. So we have found the length of the diagonal 2 is 36 meters. Third subdivision, diagonal 2 and area is given. So similarly, area is half into D1 into D2, which is 180. So here we know the value of D2. So let's find the value of D1. 180 into 2. The half goes the other side as multiplication. And D2, the value is 12, which comes as a denominator. 12 will cancel 180 and you get 15 times and you get 30 millimeter as your answer. So now we'll move on to the word problems. The area of a rhombus is 100 square centimeter and length of one of its diagonal is given. Find the length of the other diagonal. So diagonal 1 is given as 8 centimeters and area is given as 100 square centimeters. We are asked to find the length of the other diagonal. So it is similar to the previous sums that we have already done. So we know that the area of the rhombus is half into D1 into D2, which is 100 square centimeters. Let's apply the value for D1. So half into 8 into D2 is 100 square centimeters. So when you want to find D2, 2 goes to the other side as a numerator and 8 comes as a denominator. So D2 is equals to 100 into 2 by 8. So 2 will cancel 8 4 times and 4 will cancel 100 25 times. So you get your length of the diagonal D2 as 25 centimeters. Fifth one, a suite is in the shape of a rhombus whose diagonals are given as 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. The surface of the suite should be covered by an aluminum foil. Find the cost of aluminum foil used for 400 such suites at the rate of rupees 7 per square centimeter. So here, the length of the diagonals are given. Diagonal 1 is 4 centimeter and diagonal 2 is 5 centimeters. So using this measurement, let's find the area of one suite first. So area of the suite is the shape of a rhombus. So let's find the area of one suite as 10 square centimeter. Now, you are asked to find the area of 400 suites. So let's find the area of 400 suites. So 10 square centimeter into 400 is 4,000 square centimeter. Your final question is, find the cost of aluminum foil used for 400 such suites at the rate of rupees 7 per 100 square centimeter. So cost of aluminum foil for 100 square centimeter is rupees 7. So the cost of foil for 4,000 square centimeter is 7 into 4,000. That is your area of the 400 suites divided by 100. Why we are dividing here by 100? Because it's given for 100 square centimeter only is 7 rupees. So for 4,000 square centimeter, it's 4,000 by 100. So your answer is rupees 280. Let's move on to the objective questions. The area of the rhombus whose side is 4 centimeter and height is 3 centimeters. The options are given. So let's work out and find the answer. Height is 3, area is equals to base into height. So your area is equals to 4 into 3, which is 12 square centimeters. Area of a rhombus when both diagonals measuring 8 centimeter is. So both diagonals are measuring 8 centimeters. So D1 is 8 and D2 is also 8. So area is half into D1 into D2. So you get half into 8 into 8, which is 32 square centimeters. The area of a rhombus is 128 square centimeter and the length of one diagonal is 32 centimeter. The length of the other diagonal is, you can see the options. So here the diagonal 1 is given, area is given. Let's find the diagonal 2. So the answer for the diagonal 2 is 8 centimeters. The height of the rhombus whose area is 96 square meter and side is 24 meters. So here the side is given and area is given. So base into height is 96. So let's find the height as 96 divided by 24. So you get 4 meters as the height of the rhombus. The last question for this exercise. the angle between the diagonals of the rhombus is, in the beginning itself I told you that the diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other at right angles. So the right angle here is 90 degrees. The angle between the diagonals of the rhombus is 90 degrees. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe our channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching Raghava Creation. Maths is easy.